Hey, hi, my name is Shreyans and I have created a Telegram chatbot, and in this video I am going to explain you what it does, show your demo, and then explain the n8n workflow step by step. So this Telegram chatbot works as your personal assistant. You can chat with it using your text message or voice message. So what it can do is that if you want to send an email to some of your contacts or maybe someone who is not in your contacts, you can just text it that hey, suppose if you want to send email to Amrit, so you can send that hey, please send an email to Amrit by congratulating him for joining some XYZ company. So what it will do is that it will go to the database and check for Amrit's email address. If it is there, it will come back and check with you for the confirmation that this is the correct email or not. If it is not, it will directly ask you for that email address. Once you share this email with it, then it will prepare a draft email, and it will again ask for you for the confirmation, and once you confirm it, it will directly send that email to Amrit. So you don't have to type and you don't have to prepare that draft box and everything. You can just ask or by sending a voice note that hey, please send happy birthday wish to some Alex. So it will just go and check for the Alex database, email database, and then prepare a draft and will confirm with you and then send directly to the Alex. So moving forward, let's see the demo that how it works. So this is the workflow which I have created in n8n. So we will discuss the execution of this workflow as well, but let's start with the demo first. So this is the bot. I have named it as Lisa. You can name whatever you want. I like this name, so I named it as Lisa. So we can just start the conversation. It is published right now, so it is live. We can text whenever we want. So let's just send a text message for asking it to send an email to Amrit asking for the pitch deck, which I requested yesterday. So I've sent this message. Now what it will do that it will go to the database and check for the Amrit's email ID. Here it is, and it is asking for the confirmation. So yes, it is the email ID. I'm replying to it. Now it will prepare a draft. It wants an exact message. You want to say there is no exact message, just ask him for pitch deck. I can do all these conversation by using a voice note as well. So here is the email draft which it has prepared, and I can just confirm it, and now it will send that email to Amrit. Yeah, email is sent to Amrit. We will see if it has been sent or not. So let's just reload the page. Okay, so here it is. It has also prepared what do we say, subject. Yeah, subject is also prepared, and it has sent that email to Amrit. So this is what I have created, and you can also chat with it using voice notes, so you will not have to type everything. You can just send a voice note that hey, please send a message to someone, and it will send that's the thing. So let's discuss the workflow also. So here is the trigger node. So what it does that whenever someone sends message to the bot, this trigger node executes the workflow. So there's a switch node. So switch node defines that whether it is a text message or voice message. If it is a voice message, there is another process for that, and if it is a text message, there is another process. So if it is a voice, let's discuss that first. So it will use this Telegram node to get the file. It will download that file and then use the OpenAI transcribe node to transcribe that audio recording into a text. And if it is text, it will directly use the text. We will do some editing in that text. That's it. We are not doing any change in that exact message. We are changing the metadata of that messages. So here is our AI agent. I have given a detailed prompt in this that execute all the process. So let's first start with the model. I have used the OpenAI chat model. You can use whatever you want. Then I have a simple memory. So it has memory. Whenever you're texting it, it will not ask you every time for the previous messages which you have sent. Let's say if you have asked him to send message to Amrit, and in next message you are coming back and saying hey, send that this another message to Amrit, it will not go come back to you asking again for the email address. It has memory for the past 5 to 10 messages, so it will use that. That's the thing. You can use Postgres as well. I have this also, but this is a simple memory which I have created for the demo purpose. Mainly I'm using this Postgres thing only. Then there's a database. In that database there is an email, and information about the contacts has been stored. So it has been looking for those email addresses from this Google Sheet only. Okay, and then this is email. It will send the email. I have renamed it in a wrong way. It sends the email to the email person. So it will just prepare a draft, it will get the confirmation, and then use this node to send the mail to the right person. Yeah, so this is the prompt. I have prepared a detailed prompt. If you want this prompt, you can comment down. I will reply to you with this exact prompt. And then this is a final node, which is a send a text message. So after everything is done, it will reply back to you like this, using this send a text message. Yeah, that's it. It's a very simple n8n workflow. I wanted to explain you guys that how this complete process work. This is very easy. If you want any complex workflow as well, just let me know. I will create that design for you and then explain you how does it work. If you want that prompt, just comment it down. I will reply to you with this exact prompt, because in this you need to be highly correct. You need to give exact description instructions that how the process will be executed. Yeah, that's it. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.